Hey there, so here is SUSH app, and it's like popular. It's a popular pet digital pet app, and then yeah, with this app, but you can install this widget and raise a SUSH together with your friends. But can you install SUSH widget on Android? So on iOS, you can install home screen widget like this, and then you can just select a virtual pet, and then there you have it. But I don't know how to add it on Android. Of course, you can add home screen widgets on Android. This feature was available on Android way before it was on iOS. So definitely you can install home screen widgets on Android. I'm just not sure if with this app can you do it, because some of my viewers were just asking specifically how it works on Android. I have no idea. Like, if you just can help out some of my viewers and subscribers, just leave some helpful comments below. It will be really, really great. Can you leave this widget on Android or not?